hesitate to like our videos if you enjoy them and if you are new to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell icon notification so you don't miss any of our next videos updates. Let's start. Best microSD cards of 2022. microSD cards provide the digital storage you need for compatible devices. Without them, drones and digital cameras wouldn't be very useful. Unfortunately, memory cards are often retrofitted. Care must be taken to protect important data and files with a high-quality memory card. After all, every device is just as good as its weakest component. Here are the 6 best microSD cards to properly store your valuable photos, videos, and other data. What to consider when shopping for the best microSD card. 1. Storage capacity. Capacity is usually measured in gigabytes, GB. Usually, you will come across a card marked with either microSD or microSDXC. The difference is related to maximum capacity. The microSD can hold 2 GB to 32 GB, while the microSD covers a storage range from 32 GB to a whopping 2 TB. 2. Speed. The speed class, 2, 4, 6, or 10, indicates the minimum write speed in megabytes per second, MB second. The US speed class, the number of the letter U, indicates the minimum write speed of the US, ultra-fast, bus speed. The application performance class, identified by A, provides read and write speeds for input and output operations per second. This should be noted when using the Android app stored on the card. Video speed classes, V6, V10, V30, V60, V90, are also available. High-resolution video needs more numbers. The best microSD cards, reviews and recommendations. This is the best microSD card currently available. Most are organized by the intended device or use. B. Phone, camera, video, or Nintendo Switch. 1. Best microSD card overall, SanDisk Extreme, 512 GB, microSD-I. This microSD card is fast in many categories and is an excellent cross-device storage option. Specifications: read speed, maximum 160 MB second. Write speed, up to 90 MB sec. US speed class, U3. Application performance class, A2. Advantages: high speed. Works with 4K UHD video. Optimized for smartphone applications. Disadvantages: no bundled card reader. If you don't have a specific device for your card in mind, but want something that works well for almost everything, you need a microSD with a fully stable specification. In that case, the SanDisk Extreme 512 GB card is the right choice. 2. Best microSD card switch, SanDisk 128 GB Nintendo Switch, microSD card. This SanDisk card gets an official nod from Nintendo and puts some impressive read-write numbers on it. Specifications: read speed, up to 100 MB per second. Write speed, up to 90 MB per second. US speed class, U3. Application performance class, NA. Advantages: good read and write speeds. Warranty: Q-Tode graphic. Disadvantages: can be expensive, so shop around. The Nintendo Switch and Switch Lite consoles only provide 32 GB of internal storage. If your game regularly exceeds 10 GB, not to mention user-generated files such as screenshots and video recordings, you'll need a microSD card to store your game library. For this, we recommend the 128 GB Nintendo Switch microSD card officially licensed from SanDisk. 3. Best microSD card for 4K video, Samsung Pro Plus adapter 256 GB, microSD 256 GB. This microSD card is powerful overall, especially for video. Specifications: read speed, up to 160 MB per second. Write speed, up to 120 MB per second. US speed class, U3. Application performance class, A2. Advantages: speedy. Physically robust. Includes South Dakota adapter. Disadvantages: video speed class could be better. High definition video requires a faster memory card. Whether you're recording on a mobile phone, drone, or drive recorder, you need smooth, uninterrupted video. For this, we recommend Samsung's Pro Plus 256 GB microSD card. It's great for capturing high-resolution video because it has an important speed. It is rated as Class 10 and has a read speed of up to 160 MB sec and a write speed of up to 120 MB sec. 4. Best microSD card for phone, PNY 1TB Pro Elite, Class 10, U3 V30, microSD flash memory card. Android devices require an app-managed memory card and camera. That's all, and more. Specifications: read speed, up to 100 MB per second. Write speed, up to 90 MB per second. US speed class, U3. Application performance class, A2. Advantages: Class 10 speed performance. A2 application performance class. Includes South Dakota adapter. Disadvantages: can get warm during heavy use. Phones and similar portable devices can consume a lot of memory. You still have a camera, video, apps, and, of course, data storage. With so many demands, you need a microSD card that does everything, gets things done quickly, and doesn't sweat. With this in mind, we chose PNY's 1TB ProLite class microSD card for our phone application. 5. Largest microSD card. SanDisk Extreme Plus 1TB microSD-SCSI memory card. The SanDisk Extreme Plus 1TB card is fast, durable, and big enough for your entire digital life. Specifications. Read speed. Up to 170 MB per second. Write speed. Up to 90 MB per second. US speed class. U3. Application performance class. A2. Advantages. Well spec'd. Tons of storage. Include South Dakota adapter. Disadvantages. Can be expensive. If a particular device is less important and size is more important instead, SanDisk's Extreme 1TB card is the way to go. With so much storage space in the data closet, you won't run out of space for your cat's photos right away. 6. Fastest microSD card. Kingston 256GB microSD Canvas Go Plus. Fast enough for rock-solid recordings at even 8K. Specifications. Read speed. Up to 285 MB per second. Write speed. Up to 165 MB per second. US speed class. U3. Application performance class. A1. Advantages. Very fast. Suitable for 4K and 8K video recording. Comes with adapter and reader. Disadvantages. A1 app performance class. Higher resolutions require faster bus speeds and read-write processes. If there are no cards in this department, the resulting video will be choppy and frame dropouts may occur. This is especially true when recording video in 8K. Frequently asked questions. Question. Is microSD better than South Dakota? Both South Dakota and microSD use the FAT16 file system, so they are similar in that sense. But in other respects, microSDs have their advantages. microSD cards can be used on a variety of devices than South Dakota cards, even South Dakota slots with adapters. microSD cards also have the advantage of capacity. South Dakota cards are up to 2 GB, but using the microSD format, microSD can reach up to 2 TB. Are they good? It's hard to say, but they're certainly more comfortable. Question. What's the difference between microSD, microSD, and microSD? All microSD cards have the same physical dimensions, but may have different capacities and device compatibility. A typical microSD card has a capacity of 2 GB and will work in any microSD slot. microSD can store 2 GB to 32 GB and works with either SDHC or SDXC devices. The next largest microSD ranges from 32 GB to 2 TB, but only works with SDXC compatible hardware. There is also a microSD that can hold up to 128 TB. Buy the format that suits your device. Question. Does speed really matter? In short, yes. Read speed is important for those who are waiting for the transfer to complete. Long transfer times can reduce productivity. When capturing images and videos, write speed and bus speed are synonyms. If the card is not fast enough, video frames may be dropped. Also, if the card height is not specified, the device may not function properly. Make sure the specifications of the card you purchase match the requirements of your device. A final word on the best microSD cards. The first thing to consider when purchasing a microSD card is the application of the device. This determines the required specifications. Once you have that foundation in place, you can choose additional features such as capacity and faster read-write speeds. As with any technology, it's best to spend as much as you can on your microSD card. It doesn't make sense to buy a device and then scoop up the card to ruin the experience. Whenever possible, buy from a well-established manufacturer, as it tends to be more reliable. And finally, beware of counterfeit products. If the deal is too good to be true, it's probably the case. Don't hesitate to like our videos if you enjoy them and if you are new to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell icon notification so you don't miss any of our next videos updates.